Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video is gagawa ko ng DIY wall collage. Which is this one, from there to down there. So I will teach you how I did this. As you can see in the title below is linagay ko doon without destroying your wall paint. Yan kasi yung isa sa mga problema kung gagamit tayo ng adhesive sa wall. So ako, gumamit ako ng double-sided tape dito. Pero as much as possible is konti lang para hindi niya ganun ma-damage yung wall paints niya. I know it looks cluttered, pero kung makita mo siya sa malayuan. Pero kung makita mo talaga siya na buo, it's aesthetic, guys, promise. Aesthetic siya, guys. Okay. And yeah, so without further ado, let's jump right. So first thing you will do is pumunta kayo sa Pinterest and doon kayo mamili ng mga photos na gusto nyo. What you would do is that just search a random word and then put aesthetic next to it, like car aesthetic. Hey guys, nakapaganap na ako ng mga photos na gagamitin ko sa wall collage ko, and I'm sorry for my voice because I have colds. So yes, go to Microsoft Word, make your margins narrow, and then I will insert the pictures. Yung gagawan ko ng wall collage is pahaba siya. Gusto ko dito, pero girl, magastos siya, magastos din naman sa ink at sa paper, and it would take a lot of time din naman sa akin. So I will just adjust them, guys. So in all pala, I have 30 photos, or yes, I think I'm done resizing them, and this is 29 pages. Akala ko 30, guys. Okay. So, guys, this is it. So, ito yung mga ipiprint ko and ilalagay ko sa aking wall collage. Hey guys, So today is Saturday and it's 1:23 p.m. So yung gagawin natin is isa-stick na natin doon sa wall yung mga ginupit at pinrint natin. So ito lahat yung mga pinrint ko kahapon and then ginupit ko na sila. So these are all of them. 56 yata sila, 56 na photos. Pero kung sa inyo naman is depende sa inyo kung ilan yung kakasya sa wall nyo or kung ano lang yung gusto nyo karami. Sa akin, yung pag-print. Kasi pag-print ko nito is ginawa ko siya sa draft mode imbes na high quality. So these are all that I've printed yesterday. And because as you can see sa title below, I will paste it on the wall without destroying your walls. Without destroying the paint sa walls nyo. And by doing that, isi-stick natin siya sa back part ng scotch tape, which is i-connect na sila. If you finish connecting them all, isi-stick natin siya sa wall with a double-sided tape. Because instead of using each pictures na may double-sided tape, instead of doing that is we will tape it as a whole na lang. Ano ba explain? So guys, yung theme ko sa wall collage na is aesthetic, retro, vintage, 90s vibe. But there are online shops na nagsisell sila ng parang kit, like sa US, something. I don't know if meron dito sa Philippines, but girl, I'm broke. Just hindi rin naman ako mag-a-ask ng money sa parents ko, diba? Parang sa ganun lang. So I just printed them out and gonna do some DIY. But if you want to buy na lang some collage kit, is you can probably do it. Just research, guys. For the theme is, you can do whatever you want, or you can choose whatever theme na gusto mo. So you can go with the teal and orange vibe like this, or a peach na orange collage one. So I'm just gonna stick this one sa wall. And yes, without further ado, let's get started. So guys, dito ko siya ilalagay yung wall collage. Pero depende naman sa inyo kung saan nyo gusto siya ilagay. This is where I will put the wall collage. It's kinda small, but as you can see that white lines, this one, feeling ko bored ako ginawa ko to. If kasha siya, I will put it from the floor up to the ceiling. Pero yes, let's see. I will take them together. Okay, it's okay na may mag-overlap. So, kinonect ko na sila. Just put some scotch tape. So, guys, depende sa inyo kung gusto nyo mag-photo paper. If may budget kayo, diba? Go. So, yeah, just use a bond paper. So, it will look like this. Please remember that hindi mo sila na scotch tape upside down, okay? Because you'd be in great trouble. Sure. This is for my first row. So, next is, i-connect mo lang yung next row. Guys, you can choose a landscape pala if you want to, or if you want all of them to be in portrait, you can do it also. Just be creative, okay? Time-lapse ako. Hey guys, just an update. So yun, yan pala yung nagawa ko. And, girl, ito yung sinasabi ko. So guys, I'm just gonna suggest na lang na imbis na sa table or sa bed or sa floor kayo mag-tape na mag-connect sila is ita-tape mo na lang siya sa wall. So dyan, I don't know what you can see, but tinape ko siya muna dyan. And in here also, kukunin ko lang siya kasi I flip it on the other side. Oh my gosh. Okay, just be careful na hindi siya mapupunit. So hey guys, ano ba oras? Wow, 3:09 na ngayon and hey!
Hey!
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
That's Zoe. If you haven't watched our videos yet, link in the description box, or you can go check out my channel. So yeah guys, this is what it looks like. So that it would be easier for you to connect is that. So yung ginawa ko is, so naglagay ako ng scotch tape dito. And always remember that the sticky side is, you can add more scotch tape here also. Like that one. Next na gagawin mo is, isa-stick mo lang siya. Sorry for that noise. That's my niece. So guys, if you haven't watched yet our video, I will put it here. Or here. Sa iCard. Wait, I'm doing something.
I just sat on you. I just sat on you. Children's gonna see something.
No, the children will be sad.
What's that? What's that, children? What's that?
What are their names? They're the children. Hey, children.
Do that.
Silly.
Oh, it's stuck. Oh, it's stuck.
Wait, I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. Wait. Oh my God. Okay, I'm feeling the vibes. Hey guys, nalobat yung cellphone ko. So yes, I'm just gonna resume the time lapse. Okay. Get your badge. Hey guys.
So look what I got.
Okay, wait. This one and this one. Guys, ito na siya. Up to there. But it's not yet finished. I have a lot pa here. My problem is, how can may hagdan kami sa baba, but it's too heavy. I'm just gonna ask for help, I think. Pero yeah. Wait. Hey guys, so 4 PM na ng hapon. Wow, alas 2 ako nag-start. Kumuha ako ng chair. I hope, malagay ko siya sa taas. Siyempre hindi. So guys, I'm planning to put the double-sided tape na lang sa taas. So, para ma-secure, just put about 5 siguro, okay na yun. So, this should how it looks like. I just put 5, I mean, on the upper part. Yung sa pinakataas, para may mag-hold sa kanila. Guys, so nag-iisip ako kung paano ko siya lagay doon sa taas. Don't mind that hole. Mag-stick ka, girl. Mag-stick ka. So I just added here. So this is my alternative. If you want to follow this one, thank you very much. But if you don't, then that's okay. It depends on you. So guys, this is how it looks like. But there are spaces now parang wala siya. Like, I mean, parang plain pa siya. So I think I will just add more. Kasi marami pa rin naman siya. So, it's currently 4:49 PM. Natapos ko na siya hanggang sa floor. Next na gagawin natin is maglalagay ako dito yung sorry if I'm haggard. Sign of hard work. So that's it guys, thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell button so you won't miss any of my videos, and comment down below if what videos you want to see next. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. Bye!